Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time your pin receives views on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily stop those notifications on your PC, following the latest Pinterest update. Let's jump right in and help you enjoy a quieter, more focused Pinterest experience. First, open your browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This is where you can control all your account preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications section. Click on it to open up your notification controls. Here, Pinterest gives you the ability to customize exactly what you want to be notified about. Look for the option labeled Views and Impressions at pins you published. This is the setting that controls notifications when someone views your pins. By default, Pinterest might send you push notifications for every new view or impression your pins get. To stop these notifications, simply find the push toggle next to this option and switch it off. This means you'll no longer get those pop-up notifications on your device when your pins are viewed. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This step is important to make sure your new preferences are updated and applied to your account. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for pin views on Pinterest using your PC. Now you can focus on creating and sharing great content without being interrupted by constant alerts. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your peaceful Pinterest browsing.